Hello guys, today we're gonna see if the waterfall is alive in Super Mario 64. Just before we start, please like and subscribe. It's totally free, and thanks for all your support. Please smash that red button. And let's go back to the video. You know it's waterfall. You can't swim in it. Actually, yeah. Am I right? You heard me right. You cannot swim in it. Right? And you cannot even swim in it. Okay? You can actually not swim in it. Let me show you. You cannot even swim in it because, you know, in Super Sonic 64 you could just run up it. But in Super Mario 64, like that, see? You actually see it? You cannot swim in the waterfall. If you enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe. Smash that red button and thanks for all your support and like. And bye bye.